FNAF Security Breach. And I know we've played this before, but my camera ran out of space in the middle of me playing it. So I gotta adjust this camera stand. I got a big setup here. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to do. Okay. Alright. I think we're all adjusted. Let's do a new game. Warning, this game contains jump scares. Oh my, gotta turn my volume up. Whoa. Okay. There we go. I know a lot of you guys like to see this intro, but I've seen it countless of times. So I'll just let you guys watch it. Sorry, I haven't been talking. I just froze for no reason and looked out my window for about a minute. Alert, 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 alert. Okay, this area is too difficult. Check out security cameras. Look for noisemakers. Okay.
Showtime already. I'm experiencing a malfunction. The recharge cycle is not complete.
Will you shut up?
Who said that?
I did. Down here.
Down where? I still do not see you.
Okay, listen. We're sleeping, so I opened the stomach hatch and climbed inside.
My stomach hatch? That place is reserved for oversized birthday cakes and piñatas. It is not a safe play area.
Exit Freddy.
There
Hey,
you
Dad,
are.
can you please set that down? I might get a copyright claim.
Scanning complete. How odd. Your guest profile is unknown to me.
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm Gregory.
No, I'm not. Gregory.
I will notify the main office. Oh, connection error. I cannot connect to the main network.
Oh,
It's her.
no.
She cut you off. She's not going to let you call for help until she finds me.
Who is looking for you? Your
It won't
mother?
let me move.
I hear footsteps.
It won't let me move. Hold on, guys. I'm switching some angles. Sorry, guys. We're having a little bit of technical difficulties. Freddy? Alright, now it works.
That is the security guard. She can help.
No, I don't trust her.
Why not?
I don't know who she is, but she's trying to get me. Isn't there some other way for you to communicate with me besides talking so loudly?
Take this. It is a novelty Freddy Fazwatch.
Thank you, friends. Grab the Fazwatch. I'm not great at computer. I don't even know where a lot of the keys are. E. Where is E? Whee! Yay! I got a Fazwatch.
I am sending you an encoded message.
Tab.
Hello, Gregory. It is me, Freddy. I will escort you to the main entrance. However, I am unable to leave this room. You should have no problem. There is a button on the wall that will open the door to the back room. I will make it accessible to you now.
You just sent a whole freaking message when you just could have literally just talking to me in the room. Wow. Hello, Gregory. Mission. Find button. Right here. Oh my gosh. Where is the E? Boom. Got it.
Well done, Gregory.
Free Freddy.
There is an open air vent inside the maintenance room.
I forgot how to run.
You'll have to climb through the ventilation system and release me from the outside.
Okay. My gosh. Oh. Yes, I know how. I know how to control. I can't. I don't know how some people do this. Can you play this on controller? Hold on, guys. We got technical difficulties. I'm seeing if controller works on this. Does controller work? Uh-oh. Yes, it does. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh my controller is on. There we go. Oh. Okay. I need to figure out the controls. No. Put away the Fazwatch. So it's Y to open Fazwatch. It's A to jump. I just did something. Guys, I'm sorry. How do I crouch? This is so strange. I can't. I literally can't. Now it works.
Your performance was perfect tonight.
Whoa.
Thank you. Your hair is beautiful. Your tail is beautiful.
Your tail is
Everyone was
ugly.
watching.
Your hair is ugly.
Everyone loves you.
Nobody loves
Everyone
you.
wants to be you.
Nobody wants to be you. Goodbye, Roxanne. a Montgomery gator. That animatronic seems dangerous. Will this electrocute me? Somebody's jamming on that guitar. Who is rocking like heck down here? Oh, it's Chica. Man, she's rocking the frick out of that guitar, man. Chica is rocking it over there. 10 out of 10 on the guitar, Chica.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Freddy and the gang are pretty tired, but they'll be back again next week after a few days of scheduled maintenance. Please make your way to the front of the building, where you will be given novelty glasses, voucher for one free soda refill, and where you will see a legal disclaimer releasing us of all liability for anything that might have happened during your visit.
Whoa, why?
Have an awesome night, and we'll see you again soon.
Yep. Can she see me in the mirror? That is how it should work, but it's not. Oh! Stop it, Freddy. Stop! My gosh.
The stupid door won't open.
Oh no.
You are going to need a photo pass to open the door.
Awesome.
Apologies, I assumed you had one already. Well, you should be able to
What
find
would
one
make
at
you
the
assume that?
counter.
Dang, that's the extra $50 discount. One free photo pass? Freddy, what you so mad for? My controller don't.
Good job. Now, please come let me out.
Okay, Freddy. I've never seen you this sad before, and I've never seen an evil animatronic say please to me. I feel honored. Here we go. Oh!
Go, superstar!
Woo-hoo!
I knew you could do it. I know how to get you out of here. Climb back into my chest cavity. There is still time, but we must hurry. If I am
What are the
spotted, I will
chances that you got a
certainly be
cavity?
taken back to my room. I will escort
Kids,
you
brush
to
your
the main
teeth.
exit through the utility tunnels. It is the safest path.
Okay, but you better be careful moving around. I don't want to be crushed and twisted into a meat pretzel.
Okay. Finally, I don't gotta look for the E button. X is a lot of buttons. Whoa, we inside Freddy? This is awesome, bro. Literally awesome. Hold on, guys. I gotta let my dog in. I gotta let my dog inside. Alright, back to the game. What? Oh, the controller takes a minute to work.
Hello, little boy. If you're down here, say something. She's down here. We have to go back.
Do not worry, Gregory.
Never.
Even if we are spotted, you are safe with me. She would never suspect we are traveling together. However, I feel you are broken.
Don't worry about it. I'm fine.
No, I feel
Freddy,
that
stop.
something is wrong. I am taking you to the first
No,
aid
you're not.
station.
There's no time.
No, I'm not controlling this. I'm not controlling it. Freddy! And her first aid. I ain't hurt. I'm gonna hide no first aid.
Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Officer Vanessa, I do not know how I got here.
Well, you totally
Yes,
blew
you
it
do.
today,
He's
Lena.
a liar.
Your
Vanessa,
system crashed and you
arrest him.
ruined the show. Now, parts and services have you on reduced power. They said as a safety precaution. Just one more thing to deal with.
I apologize.
Okay.
Okay.
We're like 15 minutes from closing and some kid is sneaking around backstage. If you see anything, notify me immediately. I already alerted the others.
Okay.
Now go back to your room.
Perfect. Goodbye, Vanessa.
I told you she was after me.
I said nothing. I will keep you
What
safe.
happened inside?
Let us go.
Why do you think I was broken, Freddy? Is that like a roast or something? Is this where he came from? Nah. Let's get back up here. Oh. No gators! Why no gators? What's wrong with the gator? The gator mean?
Where are we?
We are now under the Pizzaplex.
Wow.
These utility tunnels connect all the attractions.
We can go anywhere in the building?
Correct. Blast, Monte Golf, Roxy
Oh.
Raceway. They are all accessible.
Try
to
saying that
staff
10
with
times.
high
Roxy Raceway.
clearance, of course. Guests are never allowed down here, but yours is a special situation.
We gotta head up. No. Power level. B1. What about B2? Oh gosh. He's on the ladder.
I am terribly sorry. The recharge cycle had not yet completed when I found you.
Gucci bag.
You must continue without me. I will guide you on your fast watch in case you get into any trouble.
I
Okay.
don't know if we
Oh!
can do this alone.
Ooh. Do it. Ooh. Okay, I'm on Chica now. I'm pretty sure. Stop it, battery sign. Dang, I'm trying to play a game. Are you gonna save your spot? Oh yeah. I'm trying to play a video game. Oh, you're gonna have to do the daycare. Yeah.
It's Chica. Maybe I could distract her with something.
Chica, Chica. Why does he say it like that? Chica, Chica. Check one piao piao. We just looked at the chicken babies at Tractor Supply. Awesome. I just gotta stay focused. What if I had my head right up at the screen and then I got jump scared? Controller! You're like, controller! What happened? What happened? Are you making this like a series again? Yeah. Like your GTA? Yes. What, L to run? Okay. Hold L. Which one L? L for loser? Loser. Or Dominic, I'm about to be on the part where Monty chases you. Okay. Oh. Controller! Gosh. Controller really hates me, doesn't it? Awesome. Yes. Here it is. Man, you a dog? Are you a dog or a gator? No. I'm perfectly fine. Woo! Run! I'm 2 seconds away from victory. Oh my gosh. My stamina. We go! Run!
Well done, Gregory. You found a security office. You should be quite safe here. The doors were designed to keep our highly trained security staff safe in the event of an emergency. As long as the doors stay closed, which they will. As long as there is ample power.
And there is no.
Freddy! The power's only at 15% and they're pounding on the door. How am I gonna get out of here?
Do not panic. You should see an interface on the security desk. Hold on while I make it accessible to you. There. You can now activate security protocols. Your fast watch is now connected to those boxes on your mini-map or nearby security cameras. When movement is detected by the camera's motion sensors, you should see red alert icons. Switch between the cameras to find a safe path out of the office and to the main lobby.
He's freaking pounding on this door. Okay. Alright, I need to find a place to get out. So she's not over there. I'm over there, ain't I? So, just like come over here, ain't she? Wait, where's she in the trash? Under me? Where is she? I need her visible. There she is. There she is, there she is. She's in the trash. All about concentration. All about concentration. Let's get out. Where is she? There she is. Oh! No. Yeah, no, I'm not dead. I still got a chance. Alright guys, I think we're gonna leave it off there anyway before my camera runs out of space. And goodbye. And we're probably gonna die at the start of next video. And goodbye.